Hello friends. The Milky Way Galaxy is most significant to humans, because it is home sweet home. But when it comes down to it, our galaxy is a typical barred spiral, much like billions of other galaxies in the universe. Here are 10 facts about our Milky Way Galaxy. 1. It has over 200 billion stars. As galaxies go, the Milky Way is a middleweight. The largest galaxy we know of, which is designated IC 1101, has over 100 trillion stars, and other large galaxies can have as many as a trillion. Dwarf galaxies such as the aforementioned Large Magellanic Cloud have about 10 billion stars. The Milky Way has between 100–400 billion stars, but when you look up into the night sky, the most you can see from any one point on the globe is about 2,500. This number is not fixed, however, because the Milky Way is constantly losing stars through supernovae, and producing new ones all the time, about 7 per year. 2. The Milky Way began as a series of dense regions in the early universe not long after the Big Bang. The first stars to form were in globular clusters that still exist. They are among the oldest stars formed in the Milky Way region. 3. There is a black hole at the center. Most larger galaxies have a supermassive black hole at the center, and the Milky Way is no exception. The center of our galaxy is called Sagittarius A, a massive source of radio waves that is believed to be a black hole, that measures 22,5 million kilometers, which is 14 million miles, across, about the size of Mercury's orbit. But this is just the black hole itself. All of the mass trying to get into the black hole, called the accretion disk, forms a disk that has 4.6 million times the mass of our Sun and would fit inside the orbit of the Earth. Though like other black holes, Sagittarius A tries to consume anything that happens to be nearby. Star formation has been detected near this behemoth astronomical phenomenon. 4. It would take a phenomenal amount of energy for a star or other object to leave the galaxy. Stars must reach speeds 1 million mph faster than the 600,000 miles per hour at which objects already speed around the Milky Way. Astronomers have discovered 18 such giant blue stars being ejected out of our galaxy. Scientists are unsure how the stars are being propelled. 5. The Milky Way moves through space at a velocity of about 552 kilometers per second, which is 343 miles per second, with respect to the cosmic microwave background radiation. 6. It's almost as old as the universe itself. The most recent estimates place the age of the universe at about 13.7 billion years. Our Milky Way has been around for about 13.6 billion of those years, give or take another 800 million. The oldest stars in the Milky Way are found in globular clusters, and the age of our galaxy is determined by measuring the age of these stars, and then extrapolating the age of what preceded them. Though some of the constituents of the Milky Way have been around for a long time, the disk and bulge themselves didn't form until about 10–12 billion years ago. And that bulge may have formed earlier than the rest of the galaxy. 7. Our galaxy will collide with Andromeda Galaxy in about 5 billion years. Some astronomers refer to our two galaxy as a binary system of giant spirals. 8. The Milky Way has grown by merging with other galaxies through time. It is currently acquiring stars from a very small galaxy called the Sagittarius Dwarf Spheroidal, as well as gobbling up material from the Magellanic Clouds. 9. The Milky Way has a halo of dark matter that makes up over 90% of its mass. What this means is that all we can see, even with telescopes, is less than 10% of the mass of our galaxy. 10. Scientists call the Milky Way and about 40 other galaxies nearby the local group. They are held together by mutual gravitational attraction. The local group belongs to an even larger group of galaxies called the local supercluster. This supercluster is about 100 million light-years across. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. Give a thumbs up, comment and share.